i35equipment.com. This is Komatsu D65 EX Bulldozer. It's a nice big size dozer. It's on consignment with us from a local company that used it to build pads. It does have the factory Komatsu rear hydraulic rippers, 6-way blade, a little over 102 inches wide over the tracks. Welcome you to come look at it for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire someone who wants to accompany you. We are open by appointment only, though, so just get called and get on the calendar. Happy to meet you out here. Get the gates unlocked. Phone number is 405-833-6437. You see those ripper shanks or ripper teeth have different pin-on locations, so you can change how deep, the maximum depth of ripping you want. Full cab, good glass, dual rear and dual front work lights. Front and rear windshield wiper, rear view camera. Like a hauling quote, we produce the equipment all over the country, so get this shipped to you. Should not be too big an issue. Just fill out the form on our website. Call, text, or email with your full delivery address. Share our address with several haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back at the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we welcome you to arrange for your own hauling, or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. If you need financing, we have several companies, gentlemen listed on our website that specialize in financing. Learn more about that underneath the financing and frequently asked questions page. It's tight. Climb out while we check out the undercarriage, check out the motor, all the access panels and everything else. On the undercarriage, there's sprockets and rails. Right view. Excellent. Sorry, kind of hard to see with the sun here. Let me go a little further back and see if I can get you a better view. It's muddy and bright. Yeah, those sprockets are fantastic. Hydraulic fluid is full. Here's your 3 ripper teeth that we were talking about earlier, so you can change where you have them pinned in at, so the maximum depth can be adjusted. Great dozer for the job site or to have out on the ranch. You can clear some trees, pastures, work on your ponds. def required on this machine. Always a great feature. Go ahead and zoom out to that fisheye lens, give you a good view of the interior here. Operator station. Warm heat feels good in here today. All right, just make the loop here. That's how you're going to turn on and off your safety throttle. This is going to be your tracking, forward, neutral, reverse, turning, and then gearing up and down. On this side is going to be your blade control, horn, ripper control, and you have to have this safety unlocked as well to operate. Got our radio here set on auxiliary. Let's get back over to FM. Get radio stations pre-programmed. Sorry. Working radio. Here's all your windshield wiper controls as well as your work lights. Turn those off so we don't forget about them. Come down to in front here, your user interface. It does have the rear view camera. This means your parking brake's on as well as your hydraulic lock. We're in park, not going anywhere. Let's see here. Hours currently sitting at 62:10. There's all your HVAC controls and then your different power controls. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, just give us a shout. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of consignment heavy equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Hope you have a wonderful day.